Yinira India. Mana keren. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Norgani channel ko talangan kay please and channel subscribe kay bell icon na hit khen tapok di. Okay, last vlog na ang look na jeng Bangkok go shopping ro khai kya ngang ke or kothok cham ro cha kha kay abo pai jeng baso khai kya baso jeng phai tei borok al karong bagai mana singka borok shopping khai ler kha asani wati ro khai shu kha gamba jeng nasingte jeng Dewi sha patara thangai ogana ni je chicken chia mall haina tongmani ara thangai jeng dewi sha shopping ro khai tong pika but after battery low ro ngai jeng video ro asang nai malia shopping ro khai be ye wati ka ma ga ba jeng oro srap sa pataro haina ba sai tong kya de bakha ro basak tong thu dia do Thailand maya kanai nei tamjan hai yang nasigoi khatang ma hai asak din ya hai pano tamjan hai feeling kha ngai jeng wati bangma bagai nasing lai tong lai kha jeng nok chini tour guide rokse bongi umbrella rok bai mana phasibo okay amda hai kabung memories tango je capture anglia ani blog nuk jangmalia ngai nar bo saima na blog ni sai sakang te 8 part tongo ngai narok jodi a part ong ni khongtang ke please nai be di finally jeng lam soka thanglai ke jeng airport Busuk wati bakha naidi chini bus ni hoite views okay finally jeng thana sakang Thailand ni wati wa ma robo nukha kama different side of Thailand now to joton saimano Bangkok city to dunia ni joto tourist rok phaibiyo belai khana kabang ma biji te azora wong kan kai just coronavirus pai drop ngai te bo bang khata Thailand ni raja police case kadena police ro kai jahaz ro
So I hope that all of you went to Platinum. How many of you went to Platinum? Oh, good. That was very good shopping, I think, because they are not brand name. That one only local brand or even the fashionable clothes, cheaper than the Central or another mall for that one. Usually it's good. Here, not only tourists but many Thai people on weekend they are very very crowded. Even my friends from Pattaya, they like to come to shop there at Platinum also. Also a heavy rain for today. During this time is the rainy season in Thailand, so that rain very often here also. But we don't have a monsoon yet. In Thailand it's good. We don't have earthquakes or even the typhoon or nothing. But Bangkok usually is very low here. When flooded, you see that just only for a few 1 hours or whatever they are flooded to Bangkok.
Bangkok ni wate no gai flood no gai Bangalore ni situations wrong with more than thanksio Bangalore wo kisa wate ba kai nam thai ngi thango e gon to pas na ya kai no tori thango arabo same to same hai no
If not traffic, then from downtown to airport it takes about 30 to 40 minutes. Then when I see you shopping, you enjoy. I'm happy also. When I see you happy, I'm happy really. Now that I'm really happy. So that so for the tour guide or even tour manager, when we work, yeah, we just pray and wish to send you back happily something. So that what we wish now it come true also. So that's what we wish. That is, we are very happy to work with you. So that if you stay here for 1 month, 1 year, I will say I can work for the whole year. It's no problem for me. So because I can work with you, I'm happy. So then, what the monks in Thailand say that try to enjoy your work. So if you enjoy with your work, it seems that you are not working. You are not working. So I feel that one. You know, I feel that the same way, right? That's one. So I'm not tired working with you. You are nice one, very nice, really. Because very easy to take care, you know, that also you can help yourself also, your English also very good, you can understand all, so that really sometimes you can help yourself, you go out, so you just come back by your own, you know, something. But some people, it's very difficult, because when they come to overseas for the first time, they scare everything. Oh, how do I go that? I don't want to go alone, they will scare everything. But you are like a new generation, you are very confident. Really, you're very confident. Our English also very good. So please come again anyhow. So I'm now looking forward to see you in the future. So maybe you come again on your honeymoon then.
Oh, रहा नहीं जाता तड़प ही ऐसी है ना.
So I hope please come again anyhow. Okay, we wish you have a nice trip back to India. So please come again. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you. Shukriya, Dhanyawad, Shukrayatra. Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
So please check, yeah, above your head, under your seat, in front of your seat, whatever. Check carefully, don't forget, don't leave anything here. So we get to get off in a few seconds. So when we are arriving, you are arriving at the first floor. Now the third floor, this one. Go number 2, okay? Go to number 2. So please check, don't forget, don't leave anything, please.
Tabung airport shop pai kha iko chini dol rong bus duita bus tei duita bus ke thang pai kha bro ke Bangalore ni dai Kochi Kerala ni ke chini bag rong mana nai hello maya kasinai onai thak jaga no bahai ma to thogo
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो ये बड़ी अच्छी बात कही आप गजब बेइज्जती है
Borni Thailand ni airport ong ka ke of airport ni compound bising haman bagai ke bese o ta ko check khane sikrai kai direct no habai sang chini bag busuk uzonong kha rok nai lai bo bego bisi kabang arok tikesa da khai mano nai we rok check khale ye ri rok chai khai tong loyo tamni ke rang kabang ma mari nai jodi kisapan bising thakai abgano or kisa time nang kha at this 15-20 minute rock oro nangkhana finally bag balance angkha angke ozon rock thik nong kha angke sang thanglai kya apchini boarding pass nana bagai angke bakharok tongthoya pano ma thanglai kya ta tetam khainai sa ya kai ma thanglai kya onai thok Thailand no 7 kg da buzan tomai da 13.2 mi thangka ani bag shopping khaina Ani bag botai 6 kg bari thangka kete se bari khamo ani alga handbag go khaina bagisi nai thongmani naigede airport Tawkhe sang chini favorite tour guide chini Shahrukh Khan by फोटो बुझाक लाइन बागै रेडिंग दंलायो तानि के बचना आसो के आराम के कक सावै एन्जॉय खाइदिखा तंथौरिखा फुर्ति के तनिखा के बनो पगै मांगलाक तानि के बखासो के काहाम हिंदी मानते मायाते रख काशा कशो साइ परिति र के जोंनो अनेक हामजागो नॉर्थ ईस्ट नि बरक खनैता बनो सलो नै गाइड सर शाहरुख खान भाई फोटो बुझाक दंलायो आंबा फोटो हामजांनाय बा लास्ट थाना सगां बो फोटो बुमा रक नाय दंता चिनि मेमोरिज रक आंखे बेलेखेन फोटो हामजागा बागै आनचला खाना फोटो टी हिंजिरि नो सर बाय शाहरुख खान
Thank you so much. Have a nice trip.
What to say? How to say thank you?
Nice, thank you.
In Thai?
ขอบคุณครับ
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 Iko among ka Thailand airport ni washroom Gaino na kaisa belakena mani kotha kok share khane musungo last time bang sajak poni toilet biching nga kai tui shikri apoin jin maka belakena kosto hai duha sang to use khai si loin ka ke muge an pare chang yang khai chini platform nai tu like kha belakena kotoma airport an be confusing suka
India, we are coming. I love my India.
Ye mera India, watan mera India. Ye mera India.
Ang khat thane do. Ang khat thane. Ang khat de.
Ye mera India. Dede. Gurita dede. Bukai. Dede. Thailand ni restaurant sai tong lo bo kan noodles to wang kai mai Thai ni Koron in bag race khanai starting point no start khanai oro online se oro 3 1 ya khaside thang de come on and thang so kha ani bhele ke saj baju
गजब बेइज्जती है
bai kha thang sinai chini tour trip bai kha tabule flight ka sanai tong kha flight board kini nei ding ke
Video guys, finally.
Iko yang nai di ani nayok ka ke Thailand ma ya kana hi wan sugoi ekra dukhna so ka kapalo se togi ma tong shu askai hamza go Thailand no omo bo second time Thailand phai tong o tapan pass yob za kya belakena aram nang za go bo Thailand no ekdom free za go ta ro angbo chini photo bu ma rong nai pas pai lelang lai liya ke yang bo sai tong ta next time bhagyang kai north side go ma thangnai Phuket side go te bel janai tong kho pas paya ko nai bakharok tong phogya photo rok simi nai ma tong la sini ta tak bat te jamsa Hambai nong no an blog no last jorana nam bagai so Thailand ning kai total 9 ta part tong kai no nuja kong kai 9 ta phok di